The Saptagiri Institute of Management has been established by the Sri Balaji Educational Society, Hindupur in 2016-2017. Dr. Palle Raghunath Reddy Garu, Chief Whip Government of AP, the recipient 10 National Service Awards, is the founder and chairman of the society. Being the intimation of spreading quality education among students, he upgraded the PG level and also students MBA, MCA, B Pharmacy, junior colleges separately at a different places in Anantapur district. Presently, Saptagiri PG College is running with an advanced courses. It recognized as one of the colleges in SK University. Sri Palle Venkata Krishna Kishore Reddy is a visionary and an entrepreneur with international exposure. Mr. Kishore holds a master's degree in computer science from Loyola University, Chicago, IL in the USA. He had been the director on board for close to 2 decades and has recently been resolved to take over the society as chairman by the board. His novel approach, unguided innovative ideas, Mr. Kishore strongly feels that the success of an organization rests greatly on employee satisfaction. His people-centric and satisfied employee-driven approach is well augmented and received by staff. His passion and focus on technology-centric and people-driven methodologies have led all colleges to run under the Sri Balaji Educational Society to set new standards in the way the education and knowledge are imparted. Apart from Sri Balaji Educational Society, he runs Vania Group with 4 independent organizations into various verticals and disciplines and a US-based firm, Ivarsa Inc. with a presence in 4 different countries. His vast experience and sheer intellectual approach towards management is a guaranteed success of the society. Dr. M. Narayan Reddy Garu, in earlier 2010, he was working as a lecturer in Srinivasa Degree and PG College in Dharmavaram. Then in 2016, he was appointed as the principal of Saptagiri Institute of Management in Hindupur. Many talented students passed with good percentage under his supervision. He is always striving to hone the skills of the student. We at SIM provide opportunities for every student to participate and perform, thus incubating them through hands-on live projects and assignments to nurture them as an young management trainees. This incubation process enables and empowers the student for a better and bright future. I feel happy and delighted to welcome our incoming students and my best wishes for their brilliant academic career at SIM. Ishwar Reddy Garu, basically he's from agriculture family, is currently the CEO of Saptagiri Group of Institutions. He worked as a teacher in Saptagiri School from July 1991 to 1993. From 1991 to 1995, he was the principal of Srinivasa Junior College in 1995. He worked as a lecturer at Saptagiri College from 2006 to 2020. He was the principal of Saptagiri Degree College. He served the Sri Balaji Educational Society for almost 30 years. Prakash Reddy Garu is the principal of Saptagiri Intermediate College. Gangi Reddy Garu is the administrative officer of Saptagiri College. G. Shivashankar Reddy Garu was appointed as a degree principal a few days ago. He had earlier been working as a lecturer in the same college. We sincerely hope that you will continue to provide your valuable services and make more talented students. Manjunath Garu, well known as Diet in Charge. Divya Reddy Garu joined Saptagiri Institute of Management as an assistant professor in 2016 and has been helping students develop skills with special attention ever since. Navya Garu joined the Saptagiri Institute of Management in 2018 as an assistant professor. She always been at the forefront of educating children about human values as well. Apart from education, events are organized to enhance the management skills of the students like Food Fest, The aim of the Food Fest is to bring awareness on various delicious and multi-religious delicious. Marketing Fest. Marketing Fest raises awareness about the products in the market and their prices. It helps to students to enhance their skills. Freshers Party. To welcoming freshers and motivate them to achieve their goals. Farewell Party. It seems sad, but it's final aim to wake up the students from students' zone and to take their family responsibility as well as society by proper utilization of their skills and talent. National Level Management Meet. The final aim of National Level Management Meet is to make students know about their managing skills and create a friendly nature to neighbor colleges. Over the past few years, students of the Saptagiri Institute of Management have shown their talent in education and other competitions. Ramya is a student of Saptagiri Institute of Management who won the Pratibha Award in 2018 from SK University. Noorine is a student of Saptagiri Institute of Management who won the Young Manager Prize twice Synergy 2K19 and Pinnacle 2K19, which National Level Management meets organized by the Enlight College and BIT College. Arun Asif is a student of Saptagiri Institute of Management. Basically, he is a short film writer and director who won the Together with his team. He has defeated 20 colleges 4 times and made a name for himself as an ad-making winner. Twice at the Pinnacle National Level Management Meet for 2019 and 2020 hosted by BIT College, and twice at the Synergy National Level Management Meet hosted by Enlight College. Aisha Mohammadi is a student of Saptagiri Institute of Management at the National Management Meet organized by BIT College along with her classmate Bhanu. She defeated 6 colleges and became the winner of the business proposal. Krishna is a student of Saptagiri Institute of Management. Krishna along with his team defeated 5 colleges in the Pinnacle organized by BIT College and became the movie presentation winner. He is a student of Saptagiri Institute of Management and his team won the National Level Management Meet at BIT College, defeated 7 colleges to become the biggest winner. Prashant is a student of Saptagiri Institute of Management who won the prize in BIT College by answering all spontaneous questions. Here the toppers of the recently passed out batch: Aronasi, Shanti, Sairam, Tirumalesh, Jyoti. Congratulations Aronasi Garu, Shanti Garu, Sairam Garu, Tirumalesh Garu, Jyoti Garu. Give them a huge round of applause.